Hey there. Today, we're diving into the world of boilers, specifically looking at how replacing an old boiler with a more energy-efficient one can save you money on your heating bills. You see, older boilers tend to use up more energy than they should, which means you're paying more for heat than you need to. But switching to a new boiler can make all the difference. Take condensing boilers, for example. These modern marvels are designed to be much more efficient than traditional boilers. They harvest energy from the gases released when fuel is burned and use less energy overall to generate heat. So, not only are they better for the environment, but they can also save you money in the long run. But what if you meet certain criteria? Well, then you're in luck. You might be eligible for a free boiler grant. That's right. A brand new energy-efficient boiler could be yours without any additional cost. So there you have it. Replacing your old boiler with a more energy-efficient one not only saves you money on your heating bills, but could also make your home cozier and more comfortable. So if you haven't already, consider upgrading your boiler and checking your eligibility for a free grant. It could be a win-win situation for both your wallet and the environment. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more insightful content like this. Until next time, stay safe and keep saving those pounds.